So we are located at 141 East Houston in Manhattan, and this is a video about anti-graffiti window film and acid graffiti removal. So as you can see on this large storefront of the building, they have anti-graffiti window film which was installed years ago, and this is the condition of the film. As you can see, it's already it doesn't look good anymore. With time, this is what happens to the anti-graffiti window film. And you can see on the left, they've been tagged with graffiti. It was under the film, so someone installed the film under the graffiti. All right, and right now we removed a piece of old graffiti film, and we're trying to restore the glass. We're gonna buff it off, and then we will install a new film. Some of these panels already replaced. This is still need to be replaced. This one is already replaced, so you can see a difference before and after. Look how bad this one looks, and look how good this one looks. All right, look over here, that's a seam. It says the window film is installed. We also did the installation on the paint over here. This is what client requested. I mean, it doesn't look perfect, but at least it protects the paint work from from being tagged. So yeah, this is already installed. 141 East Houston. Come over, check it out. Anti-graffiti window film, and this is how it works. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Oh, you know what? Don't have a good day. It's not over yet. Okay. What do you do, Michael?
It's very hot.
Very hot?
Very hot.
What's the temperature? So you see the glass is getting really hot when you do the polishing, and it is a potential danger to crack this panel. But Michael knows that he has to keep the temperature cool, and we cannot exceed certain temperature when we do the work like this. All right, so look, the original 67 and 130. We gotta wait. That's why this process is taking so long, because we have to be very careful when we buff the glass. But the final result, worth it. All right.